back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this greenish eye look. It reminds me of a beautiful peacock. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get it. Alright guys, so today I'm going to take this Afrique by Juvia's Place or Palace? Place. And I'm going to take, first I'm going to take this yellow color from the palette. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's right there. And I'm going to take, and I'm going to just put that over my whole lid. And y'all don't mind me, I'm blind. I need my little mirror. I'm sorry. It might be hard to see on me, because you know I'm a little yellow, but I can see it, so if you can't see it, I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, y'all, now I'm going to take the green color right here in this palette, and I'm going to just put it like right underneath that yellow color, and then blend up. Well, that's really good. It's okay, we're gonna make this work. Not about to waste expensive makeup. That's a no-no. And honestly, y'all, if this turns out booty, so I'm gonna take this like small flat brush. I don't know if y'all can see it, and I'm gonna take some concealer, and I'm gonna just cut my crease really quickly. And honestly, y'all can mess this part up in seconds, so just take your time cutting the crease. I think that's even, y'all. And then I'm gonna take, I'm trying so hard to not look. I'll find it. I'm gonna take like a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna just take and put some like setting powder on it, and just set that concealer. So that way it's not transferring anywhere. Alright. So it should look something like this. When y'all are like done once it's set. You see now that it's set, if I look up, it's not like transferring up above my lid. I'm gonna take a wider flat brush, and I'm gonna take it, and I'm just gonna use like a setting spray, and I'm gonna spray it because, oh, that smells good. Sorry, I've never used that setting spray before. I'm gonna spray it because it helps it pick up more pigment, and like your shimmer shadow will be shimmier. And I'm gonna put it in this color right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. And I'm gonna just put that, like it's like a really pretty like emeraldy green color. And I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put that right where I just cut my crease. I know, like I'm trying something for the first time, and I've always seen girls like do these colorful green type shadowy colors, but I never thought that like I would actually be able to like ever pull it off. I'm gonna take like an angled brush, and I'm gonna take some of that green that we already used, and I'm gonna go back in the crease and help define that line. I'm not trying to make it too harsh, but it'll definitely help me like, hey, I'm a cut crease, you know? And I'm just taking it, I'm like kind of like carving it out with the angled brush, and then I'm taking and I'm like flicking it up because I don't want a harsh line. You never want a harsh line. So yeah. In all honesty, I think, let's see, I'm gonna also take this blue color right here, and I'm gonna put that. Hopefully I don't like ruin my eye, but I'm gonna put that right on top of that color. That's really pigmented. Alright. I'm gonna take the brush I used the green for, and I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna just pack it on. Yeah, I like that more, and I'm gonna blend it out. No, y'all, I already took and I like moisturized my face and all that good stuff before I got started. So I'm gonna take my Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color tan. Your girl is going to town with that on her face. Like, y'all, I take and I put it on the back of my hand, so that way I don't look cakey, and I can just use like as much as I need to use at a time. And don't none of you guys come for me in the comments talking about some I look nappy or I couldn't do my hair before this video, because everybody knows curly hair always looks like, when you don't actually take the time to put it up, it always looks crazy. Like, I actually took it and I washed it today, but I haven't like done anything to it because I don't feel like it. I ain't going nowhere. Okay, I'm gonna take like this big fluffy brush I have. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna make sure everything's blended, and then I'm gonna blend my foundation into my neck with this. Alright, then I'm gonna take my beautiful concealer, you know, try to look decent. Alright, and then I'm gonna take my crusty dusty powder. I have my lid off, but that's why I call it crusty dusty. So I have this junk for a little minute now. I'm gonna take and set my face. And I'm just setting everywhere. I put the concealer because you do not want to be creased up out in public. I'll tell you that much right now. Sorry, I just got setting powder on it. It's like, it says 06 PW on it. It has like a whole bunch of different contour shades, and I'm gonna contour my nose. And I forgot to put it on before. I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put some liner on. This is the NYX matte black liquid liner, and I'm not doing a full-on cat for so many reasons. One, because I haven't done a cat in forever, and I'm really feeling my eyes right now, and I will be dumb hurt if I mess this up. And two, it just helps your lashes blend better. I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I'm gonna put these lashes on, but I'm gonna do it off camera. These are, just in case y'all are wondering, they're the Ardell faux mink lashes in the number 817. So I'm gonna take it and put these on, put mascara on. We're almost done. I will be back. So we don't got much left, y'all. We almost ready. I love these lashes. This is my first time wearing them. I don't know when this video is going up, but the promo they were having for them was probably done probably gonna be done by the time I upload this, but they were $5.99, and then they were buy two get one free. So your girl got 3 pairs of these lashes because y'all can't tell me I'm not cute. It's just, y'all not about to do that to me. So I'm gonna take your girl's about to sparkle. I'm gonna take this brush or a chisel, and I'm gonna spray it a little bit. Wait for the glow. I don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, y'all. And last but not least, we gotta do lips and then we gotta set. So this NYX matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. And it's in the color Teddy. I'm gonna take this. It's an Ulta lip gloss. I don't know what color it's in. It says number 18 on the bottom, but it doesn't say a color. So I'm just gonna put this right on top. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!